So now you've verified your email, hopefully, and now it's time to log in and get set up with your banking. So you hit login. For me, the Face ID logs me in automatically. Now for me, you're going to see that I already have a bunch of money already deposited and I'm already trading right now. If you're brand new, obviously you won't see any of this. You'll just see all zeros. Hit the settings or the three lines on the upper left. And again, you'll see all zeros here if you haven't already set up your bank account yet. I already have, that's why you see some money there. Hit banking, which is right here. Go to linked accounts, which is on the right. And you'll see that I've already added my bank account. Hit add new account, and it's going to use Played services to connect your iFlip app to your bank account just simply by entering your username and password for your mobile banking. So hopefully you have mobile banking. By now it is 2020. And so you would hit continue and hopefully your bank is up there. If you don't see your bank at the very bottom, you can hit this right here where it says search instead. Let's say you use one of those online only banks like a Varo or something. Nope, gotta spell that right. Varo, for example, you can hit Varo and then enter your username here and then your password there. So I have entered my Varo username and password and I'll click submit. You'll see an anticipatory bar spike up, and it does want to verify via text. Standard security measures for authentication. Enter the code that you received. Okay. And boom, my Varo bank account is now connected. You click continue. So here you will see that my Varo account, for example, is still pending. My Chase account has already been verified. I did this long before I filmed this video. Check your email. You should receive something like this where it does say bank account linking pending. This just simply verifies that you did everything correctly, and you just have to wait about a day or two. Assuming that you actually have your bank account connected now, you're fully verified, we can now fund your account and make a transfer from your bank account to the iFlip app. So once again, hit the settings, three lines on the upper left corner there. Go to hit banking, which you'll see in the middle down here. And you'll see transfer to iFlip. You'll notice that I have one verified account and one pending account. I can only obviously transfer from a bank account that's already verified. So I'm going to hit my Chase bank account, and let's say I want to transfer $100. Boom, that's it. I'm going to hit review, and it's going to ask me to confirm this transfer of $100 to iFlip, and it will take about 2 to 3 business days. So I hit the check mark on the bottom right, and it says transferring funds. Get the spinning wheel for a second. And so now if you actually go over to the settings and you go to history, you'll see that in pending history, you will see that my $100 deposit, it is pending. Once it clears, you'll see a transaction to something like this. This is something that I did all the way back on the 16th of January. Back here, this is $1,000 that is completely cleared, and that'll show up on the bottom section of the history as cleared history instead of just pending history. You'll also notice, if you go back, you'll also notice that you have another $100 in your buying power. So for me, it was $849 at the beginning of this recording, and it's still $849. That's just because it hasn't fully cleared yet. That takes about 2 to 3 business days. So that's how you fund your iFlip account from your bank account. All there's left to do now is wait 2 to 3 business days and you'll be good to go. Happy trading!